How to take a screenshot on your Windows laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily take a screenshot on your Windows device. So the very first thing you want to do is know a few keyboard shortcuts. So let me just go ahead and pop up my on-screen keyboard here so that it's easier for you to see. So if you want to take a screenshot of your entire page, there is a keyboard shortcut that you can do. You can press the Windows button, this one right over here. You can keep pressing it, and on top of your number keys, you'll have your function keys, right? So if I just hold on to the Shift, or you could just go ahead and click Alt. So what you basically want to do is simply go ahead and find the print screen button right beside your function keys. So you'll have F1 all the way up to F12, and in some cases you'll have the print screen right on top of F12 or right besides it. So I have one right besides my F12 key. Keep pressing your Windows key and then press the print screen, and it's going to blink for a second, which means that your screenshot has been taken. So let me do it one more time. If I just hold on to the Windows button and then press the print screen, it's going to snap the entire screenshot. So you can check it by going over to your file explorer, and then what you can do is just check your screenshot. So this screenshot right here I've just taken, I can just open it up and show you guys. So here is the screenshot. Alright, so this is the first method. There is a second method as well. So let's say if you want to take a screenshot of any specific area. Let's say if I just want to take a screenshot of this ship, I can just do this on my keyboard, bring out the menu, and then just drag and select however which area I want to take as a screenshot. So let me show you how to do that. So on your keyboard, what you basically do is press Windows, Shift, and then S key together. So it's Windows, Shift, and then S, and it's gonna bring out your snipping tool. And then from here, you can just select the area that you want to take a screenshot of, and then that will be your screenshot. And instead of that, what you can do is just go to your snipping tool, search for it on your search bar, click on New, and then you can easily create a new snippet. But the keyboard shortcut is way easier. So that's basically it, guys. These are some of the ways you can take screenshot on your Windows device. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.